Good morning. Here are the latest updates in Indian politics and sports for 22nd January 2025. Political news. Legislative developments. The Indian Parliament is set to discuss key legislative reforms aimed at enhancing economic growth and addressing unemployment. Expect debates on the proposed Employment Generation Bill. State elections. Campaigning intensifies in several states as political parties gear up for upcoming elections. The ruling party is focusing on its achievements, while opposition parties are rallying against rising inflation and unemployment rates. International relations. India is expected to strengthen its diplomatic ties with neighboring countries, with discussions on trade agreements and security cooperation scheduled for later this week. Priyanka Gandhi's accusations. Congress MP Priyanka Gandhi has publicly accused the BJP of undermining the constitution and the judiciary, claiming that the party is promoting an unequal society. She urged citizens to stand up for their rights, intensifying the political rhetoric ahead of the elections. Delhi elections 2025. As the Delhi Assembly elections approach, the AAP is facing criticism from the Congress for not including certain key issues in their campaign. The BJP is also ramping up its campaign, promising various reforms, which has led to a heated exchange of accusations among the parties. Election promises. The AAP, BJP, and Congress are all making bold promises in their manifestos, leading to debates over who is genuinely addressing the needs of the citizens. This has sparked controversy as each party tries to highlight the failures of the others. Sports news. Cricket update. The India vs England T20 series kicks off today, with Mohammad Shami making a significant comeback. Axar Patel will debut as vice-captain, adding depth to the team. Football. The Indian Super League is heating up, with several teams vying for playoff positions. Fans are eagerly anticipating the upcoming matches this week. That's all for today. Please like, share and subscribe this channel for future updates. Have a wonderful day ahead.